Welcome back to another video. Today we have the new tools from Harbor Freight. If you guys want to help out the channel, so we can buy more tools, make more tool videos, tool review videos. We need more subscribers, more likes. So feel free to help out the channel by subscribing and hitting the like. All right, let's go ahead and get started. We're at the Harbor Freight quality tools, lowest prices. Didn't sound right when I said it. All right, so we got the Franklin sensors. We got the M10 stud finder, 1290. Yeah, for the longest time I ever, I want to get something like this. Now I gotta try one of these out. Now that Harbor Freight has some nicer ones. But yeah, these things are needed in every home. You want to hang a TV, you want to do something like a project, then these are always great to have. Anyways, this is a Franklin sensors. Let's see here, $12.99. So we got any more pictures here? Looks like we got a not enough button there. Then we got a sensing light there in the middle, or a few sensing lights. Let's see here. Let's look at the other one. This one's a Pro Sensor M50 stud finder, $24.99. Looks like it does have some more features. I guess it does tell you more specifically where is the stud. I guess looks just like the other one too. It says 5 sensor multi-sense technology for accurate deep sensing, 1.5 inch max detection depth. Instantly find stud, no calibration required. QC operation, LED display, center on edge, feature live electrical detection, textbook metal. Nice. All right, let's go to the other one. I guess this is the more expensive model, the better one. Pro Sensor M150 stud finder, $34.99. This one does have a few lights here. I guess it does give you like power lines too. That's the way it looks. So kind of nice. It tells you pretty much where exactly the stud is. It says 9 sensor multi-sense technology, accurate for deep sensing. Pretty much the same as the other one, but this one's wider. Like if you have one here and then one here, it'll just tell you where both are. And the other one you have to manually look. All right, we got the Bauer 20 volts Hypermax lithium coreless pole saw. 2 only. So yeah, I do have the pole saw, the Portland pole saw. I love that thing. That thing's great. The only downside on that is the cord, the extension cord. You have to drag that. I have a huge yard, and I gotta plug in at least like 2 or 3 extension cords, or get like a 300 feet extension cord to just get across my big yard that I have, because my trees are all the way to the back. I don't have any electricity back there. But anyways, yeah, this is a very useful item. So for $89.99, not too bad. If Harbor Freight's gonna come out with coupons, I really believe they have a 10% off coupon, so $9 off for that. That'll kick it down to $80. Not too bad. It looks pretty decent. I wonder how big this thing is. It looks like a 7 or an 8. Maybe it's a 9, just like the other one. Everything else looks pretty good. Looks like you can stretch this. That's the handle grip. That's the cap for the oil. That's the way it looks with the battery. That's the way it looks from the top. So it's not a bad tool whatsoever. Let's see. Yeah, it says branches up to 7.4. Let's see, 8-inch low kick bar. Okay, so it is an 8-inch. I thought it was a... Yeah, 8 inches. Pretty decent. You're not going to be doing anything above that with that type of tool. You got the Icon Professional Double Box Flex ratcheting wrench 5-piece, $1.99. Hopefully they come out on coupons. I don't know if there's coupons currently for this, for the tools, but they does have a nice organizer so you can put it in the toolbox, just like more professional tools, like the professional tool level or companies, brands. Got some nice finishes there, you guys see. I guess it's slanted out in one side and the other one's pretty much flush. Really nice. Alright, the next tool that we have is the 5-feet vertical E-track rail. Yeah, these are mostly for cargo. Like if you got an enclosed cargo trailer, you can screw this up on the wall or on the bottom, and you can put all kinds of tie downs and attachments similar to like that. Hallmaster E-track tie off strap with D-ring. Yeah, pretty much it goes into these. So $4.99. Then you got the Bauer 20 volt, 120 volts. So I guess this is a hybrid. You can use a battery or an extension cord to power this up. Lithium dual power cordless transfer pump tool, only $99.99. Not too bad. It says deliver up to 6 feet. Yeah, 6 feet of suction lift. Self-priming. Clear viewing window for identifying blockages. Oh, nice. You got a nice window there. Pumps over 140 gallons in a single battery charge. Powers full transfer 325 gallons per hour. Water resistant cover. Power dual battery system was in power without battery or AC. Okay, with battery or AC. It's hybrid. That's the way it looks. It looks like it does have some attachment feet. You can screw it on somewhere. Oh, I like that view. It's a nice little view there. Alright, next tool. Got some Doyle screwdrivers there. Electrician stubby screwdriver set of 2-piece. $5.99. Not too bad. Doyle's one of the better brands that they have. Got the Vulcan Arc Safe Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. Flame Design, $169. Not too bad. Looks really nice. I like the flames. Really nice. Got the Armstrong wireless charging pad. So it's about time they had something like this, because most of the phones are already wireless, all the newer phones at least. So you got some options there. If you break it or whatnot, going out of town, and you're stopping at a Harbor Freight, you have that 6 feet key tape measure. So this is a smaller one. It goes on the, still pretty bulky though to have with your keys. $1.99. It's a 6 feet. I believe we went some of these tools already. Let's see here. We got 24-inch compound bolt cutter. Doyle. So it's a higher unit, it's a higher quality there. Like the grip. Looks real nice. 20% less effort. Action design. Nice. And then the last ones are master disconnect tool sets. Nice. Does come with a case there. Anyways, just a quick video for today. Remember, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you guys want to help out the channel. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.